Hey, guys, let me tell you something about Cortexi. There are two types of Cortexis. There is the original Cortexi and the false Cortexi. Now, it is really up to you which one you're going to take. If you want to purchase the original Cortexi, there's just one place on all of the internet that you have to be going to get it. It's their official webpage. You see, there's so many people today trying to take advantage of Cortexi, and they just sell it all over the internet, and sometimes it is just something else with Cortexi's name. So if you want to start your treatment with Cortexi and you want to get results and you want to make sure that you are not going to have any side effects, of course you need the original one, right? So I left for you guys in the description box of this video the link that will take you directly to their official webpage, so you can purchase it directly from over there, get to know more about Cortexi over there, get to read people's feedbacks, understand everything about it, and so forth. But please remember this: buy the original Cortexi only on their official webpage, okay? The link is going to be here waiting for you guys. Now, Cortexi, guys, it is a really great treatment. It is a treatment that can help you support your hearing. Let's face it, as you get older, or maybe even now young people, they have problems with hearing because of headphones, loud music, or even just because of like the ambient, because of pollutions, because of toxins. There are a lot of things that can damage your hearing. So Cortexi is actually a natural supplement. And this is a supplement that is so easy to take. I mean, did you know that Cortexi comes in a liquid form? All you have to do is just remember to take it every day. This is a natural supplement, meaning it is 100% organic. It doesn't have gluten, it doesn't have GMOs, it doesn't have side effects, it doesn't have dairy, so it is safe and suitable for any men or women at any age. Here's what's it going to do to you. It is actually going to figure out where the inflammation inside of your ears are. It's going to go directly to the root of that problem and start to fix it up. Also, Cortexi can help you adjust your tinnitus if you do suffer with that and slowly start to treat it, which is really amazing because this is a really great hearing support formula that people are getting awesome results with it. I mean, little by little, you're going to start to realize how your hearing is going to become so much more better. You're not going to have any more inflammations or any more earaches. But did you know that Cortexi is also a supplement that is amazing for your cognition? Since our hearing and our brains, everything is wired up. If one gets damaged, the other one answers for it as well. Cortexi can help you with your cognition. It can help you as well with your focus, your memory, and help you to have more mental clarity. So this is an excellent choice of supplement if you want to treat any hearing disorders or, have better memory, better focus, and more mental clarity. Now, you need to remember to use it every single day. It is recommended to do a 3 to 6 months treatment without interruption, guys. So please remember that. Otherwise, or you're not going to get results, or it's going to take forever to get results, But people who are using Cortexi, they are really, really happy with it because they are being able to hear better. They are being able to prevent future hearing loss and just really take care of their hearing. Now, this is also a really great supplement because it is filled with anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, so it is really great for your overall wellness. And if you want to purchase Cortexi, if you want to get the original one, let me just tell you that you are backed with a money-back guarantee. So if it does not work out for you, you can just go back to the official webpage, request your money, and customer service will help you to get that refund. So what are you waiting for? Start treating your hearing problems right now with Cortexi, and believe me, you're not going to regret it. Visit this link right here, the official webpage, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.